Hey everybody, so today we're going to do a video on the Kiss magnetic eyeliner lashes. I personally don't like magnetic lashes. I've tried them once and I didn't like them, but I'm going to try them again with the liner. Thank you to my cousin Stacy for giving me these. They were actually hers for her daughter's Sweet 16, and I did her eyes and I was like, I'm not using this. I'm using my lashes on you. She was like, just take these then, which is very nice of her. She didn't have to do that, but I figured I'd make a video on it. So let's get into it. I already have regular eyeliner on, but I am going to go over it with this eyeliner. But I just wanted to make sure that I did my liner the way I want. And then this, I'm just going to put exactly where that lash is gonna go. So let's get into these. So far, I like it better than the magnetic ones that I've used in the past, where they were the ones that snap together. No, thank you. Okay, I had to shut the door behind me. My hair is wild, I need a haircut. But okay, so this is the Bring the Salon Home, blah, blah, blah. Okay, seems promising. I actually kind of like it already. So let's just go over where the lash would go. Okay, it would probably be better if I didn't have liner on yet, so I could see exactly what I'm doing. But let's try it. I mean, let's do this. So that's point number one, not go with first impressions. I'm doing this as close to my natural lash line as possible because that's where I want the actual lash to sit. I just realized I didn't put mascara on my lashes yet. I'm panicking a little on the inside because I didn't do that, and I need to do that. So I think I'm just going to do it while this dries. This is not what I would normally do, but I normally would curl my lashes first. I'm panicking. I'm all over the place right now. I get completely thrown off when like things are not the way I'm used to them being. One of my dogs is like that too. What am I talking about right now? This is me in my panic state. All right. Let's let this dry for a second, and then when this is dry, we will put on those lashes. I want to talk about how I appreciate the way they did this. So you can see where the actual magnets are. And what they did here is they made two of them very close together on the outer corner so that if they're too long for your lash, so this one would go on this eye, if these are too long, you can trim in between these two, and hopefully that would be your size, but you'd still have a magnet at the end. So I very much appreciate what they did there. They were definitely thinking as a makeup artist or somebody who actually does makeup, a makeup enthusiast, they were thinking on behalf of us. So I do appreciate that. So yeah, so the side that has the double in this particular brand, that would go on the outer corner. So I think that this might be dry, but let's try it. I'm so scared right now. Okay, that was pretty easy. What you're seeing on my finger is the mascara that I had panically put on talking about my dog and just absolute panicking. But I'm pretty impressed with this actually. It's definitely a very natural lash. The brand, this particular one is called the Lure. Again, you can see the side that goes on the outer corner has a double right there. So if this was too long for my eye, which it's bordering on being too long because I feel it on the inner corner, you would just cut in between there. But I'm not gonna cut, I'm just gonna put it on. You could see I'm blinking on this one and it's bringing it up. I think I wanna redo the lash in the middle on this one. Not in the middle, on the inner corner. We're gonna let that dry. All right, let me fix my own liner here. I'm pretty happy with it. I gotta be honest, this is not in any way, shape, or form paid or anything like that. These honestly were given to me the way that I said that they were given to me through my cousin, who was like, here, you can have these. And I was like, I don't want to use these on you because I don't like magnetic lashes. I gotta tell you, ease of use, I'm gonna say it's like a 10, but I do wanna say one other thing. The concept of this lash is very genius, right? Because you take it and you just line it and it comes out black and it's great. However, if you want to use regular lashes, this is the latex-free dual lash glue. This is my favorite one in the whole world. And I need to use latex-free because I'm allergic to latex. So you literally can do the same exact thing. Put your eyeliner on first, get this as close as possible, line your lash, and then let it sit for a little bit. Don't let it dry completely, let it sit for a little bit, and just stick a lash literally right on top of that. And it would be the same exact thing, only not magnetic, and it wouldn't have the little magnetic pieces, which I don't really think you see, but there you go. So ease of use, I would say like 10 out of 10. It's actually very easy to use, but also the concept of it, you can definitely do this with a regular eyelash glue that has a wand, similar to this kind of thing where it, like, you could put it on. Okay, so that is this video. I hope you guys like this video. I'm going to have the Kiss lashes in my Amazon affiliate link. If you guys want to check it out, you guys can shop through my Amazon affiliate link. I'm also going to have the dual lash glue and my favorite lashes, the Ardell ones, all going to be in my Amazon affiliate link. If you guys want to check it out, thank you for your love and support. Thank you for supporting my channel. Let me know what kind of videos you guys want to see in the future, and I love you guys, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.